Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to sell on Amazon from AliExpress. So first of all, you should find a product with good reviews, with reliable shipping, and of course with reliable seller. Then go to Amazon and upload product photos or make your own photos. Write your own short description to that product, and of course set a price that is higher than what it costs on AliExpress, so that of course you make a profit. And when someone orders from you, go back to AliExpress, place an order, and ship it directly to your customer's shipping address. It is very convenient because you don't need to hold any stock, because it's all drop shipped. Just one more thing, that you should keep your customer updated with tracking and respond quickly if they have any questions. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.